Everyone, and welcome to another video. So we've been talking about get date method, get full year, get hours, get dates, day, and some other get date methods. And in this particular video, we are going to be talking about another three get date method. The first one is the get seconds method. The get seconds method returns the seconds of a date as a number from 0 to 59. Then the get milliseconds method. The get milliseconds method returns the milliseconds of a date as a number from 0 to 999. The get day method. The get day method returns the weekday of a date as a number from 0 to 6. And let's begin to see examples for each of these get date methods. So I will make a variable comment first, and I want to first talk about the get seconds method returns the second of a date as a number between 0 to 59. So I can then make my date object, and here you can see that by using the current time, the current get seconds is 26 seconds. So I want to pass in the date 2026 1 on the 10 this way. And you can see it's 0. So if I change this to maybe like on the 17, it is still 0 that I am getting here, which is matching what I currently have on my time. But if I remove this, now this will get me the current second. And if I take a look at the time, you can see. So if I checked the way it is counting, you will see that as at when this output came out, it was 3, and which is why I am getting 3 on my screen. So this is how you use the get seconds method here. So this is my variable, and I'm then passing the method on it here, which is the reason why you are seeing this output here. So let me quickly switch to get milliseconds. Get milliseconds. Now, if you take a look at it now, so my current date here and the milliseconds method 891. So if I pass a date string 2025 1010, check this out. I'm getting 0. So which means that as well do 2022. I can do so. I mean, I can change dates the way I want here, and it will still work. So 18, and you can see it is still 0 as the output. But without passing any parameter, it will get me the current milliseconds of the current time that I am in. As you can see, 863. And the last one is the get day method. Get day method returns the day of the week, 0 to 6 for a date. So new dates, and here I can do get day. So 2, as you can see. So the day is 2. And so it gets it returns the day of the week from 0 to 6 for a date. Now, what will 2 correspond to? So if the days of the week starts from Sunday, that means Sunday will be 0, Monday will be 1, and Tuesday will be 2, which means that this is correct because today is actually Tuesday. But let's take note of some things as we continue. Now, in JavaScript, the first day of the week, day 0 is Sunday. But there are some countries in the world that consider the first day of the week to be Monday, which means that in countries like that consider Monday to be first day of the week, their own first day is not going to be Sunday, but rather Monday. And these two in countries like that is going to be equivalent to uh Monday, Tuesday, 0, 1. It's going to be equivalent to 1, which is going to represent Tuesday, which means Monday is going to be 0 and Tuesday is going to be 1. So for some countries that consider the first day of the week to be Monday, but by default, the first day of the week in JavaScript is day 0, and that is corresponding that corresponds to Sunday as the first day of the month. So as you can see now, so you can as well pass in parameters. Let me just pass it in. Now you can see this. And you can do away without passing parameters. So you can change this. I can change this to August. You can see that the date changes. I can change it to December, and you will see that this as well changes. But in my own case, if I remove the parameter and allow it to get the current date on my browser, this is what it's going to give me 2, which corresponds to Tuesday, which means that it start counting from Sunday. Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, and Tuesday is 2, which is today. So these three methods that we've talked about, the get seconds method, return the seconds of a date as a number between 0 and 59. The get milliseconds method returns the milliseconds of a date as a number from between 0 and 999. And last but not the least, which is the get day method, it returns the weekdays of a date as a number between 0 and 6. 0 corresponding to Sunday, which is the beginning of the week, and 6 corresponding to Saturday, which is considered the end of the week, unless in some countries where Monday is considered as the first day of the week. So you can practice on these three get date method that we've talked about, and we shall continue in the next lesson to see other get date method that is available in JavaScript. Thank you. I'll see you.